Okay, this is how to use the Koramzi rechargeable mosquito swatter with USB cord and 5 LED torch. Okay, so when you first get this thing, you got to unscrew it, all right, which is pretty simple. Just undo that. And then when you're going to charge it, you've got to have it, you don't want it on the on position, you don't want it on that position. You want to have it in the very center while you're charging, okay? That's what you want to do. You want to have it in the very center while you're charging. All right, so anyway, if you look here, you're going to see two different places where you can push something on. This center one hooks to the top part, so that's not where you got to put it. Because when you look at this one, it's really small. So this one has to go on this one that's on the farther out part. So what you're going to be doing is to charge it, you're going to take this one here, push it right in there. Now, and you also got to make sure that you're in the center position on this. And you can go ahead and you can plug this into your computer, or you can plug it into one of your phone chargers and stick it in there. And that's what we're going to do. When it gets fully charged, it's supposed to give us a green light over here. So if I plug it into my computer, which I've just done, you can see that this thing's already fully charged because I charged it for a couple hours already just to get it ready to go so that we could do the video. But this is the bottom half of it. And when you charge it, got to be right there in the center. If you put it down here, you got your leaking energy. If you put it up this way, it's leaking out the other end, I guess. I don't know, maybe not. All right, so anyway, that's how you do it. All right, and then you just let it sit there for a couple hours and come back to it. Now, we've already got it charged up, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this out of here. And then we're going to go ahead and put it together, okay? And all you have to do is just put it here and twist it. And that center piece is going to connect the energy from the lithium battery in here into the system. And so if you want to direct the energy to the top of this thing, you're going to press this up. And once you do that, it gives you this little light too here that you can turn on. And it helps you to see the mosquitoes, supposedly. I guess that's what they said in the directions. So if you want anything up here to work, you've got to push this up. All right? So nothing, see, if when I go here, nothing happens. When I go here, nothing happens. When I pull it down, nothing happens. But if I push this up, then I can turn this on and off. Then I can electrify this. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Okay, so we got it in the up position. Energy's going up here. If I want to turn the light on, I can do that. Now, for me to get the insects and kill them, I've got to press this button right here on the side. Now watch, when I press it, you're going to see a red light come on. That's a warning saying, hey, it's hot and ready to kill. Mosquito murdering weapon is ready to go. Red light is on. And that's, you know, that's how you do it. Now, when you do that, you do not want to touch it because it'll sting you. But that's it. And then wham, 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 get out of here, mosquitoes. You're dead. Put that down. And now if I want to, you know, just use this as a flashlight, here I am going around looking for stuff. All right, so that's it. That's all there is to it. So that's how you do, what's the name of this thing? Hang on. This thing is called the Koramzi rechargeable mosquito swatter with USB cable and plug and a 5 LED torch. So this is, I don't know what that means. A lot of the words are spelled wrong. This thing came from China. I'm not quite sure about everything on it. But anyway, that's this awesome mosquito killer. And we're going to go out tonight and smack some mosquitoes down. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things that I've never used, but I'm going to try them out and I'm going to show you how I figured it out. And that's it. Peace out.